The health benefits of ashwagandha and its medicinal uses. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb used for over 3,000 years in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian form of medicine. It is also known as Indian ginseng and is used in powdered form to treat many different health problems. In today's video, we will explore 20 facts and benefits of ashwagandha and explain how it affects the human body. 1. Stress relief. Ashwagandha is one of the best herbs in the world for lowering stress levels in the body. It contains natural chemicals called withanolides which help the body to adapt to stress and support healthy adrenal glands. Taking this in a supplement daily helps to regulate your stress hormone called cortisol. 2. Anxiety. If you suffer with anxiety, nervousness and emotional pressure, then you may wish to use ashwagandha to calm the mind. Studies show that this is a great natural alternative to anxiety drugs and can help you to think more clearly and feel more relaxed. 3. Longevity. In India, people have been consuming ashwagandha tea for thousands of years. It is well known in Eastern cultures to help expand the lifespan and improve overall wellness. This and other adaptogenic herbs like tulsi are used for their anti-aging properties and keeping the hormones in balance. 4. Immunity. A large percentage of people in the world suffer with chronic stress, which can weaken the immune system. This makes you more likely to become infected by viruses, bacteria and other invaders. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha support a strong immune system by lowering stress levels and make you less likely to catch a cold. 5. Menopause. Women can take adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha to help ease symptoms of menopause. It helps to naturally reduce hot flashes, night sweats and mood swings because it supports healthy adrenal glands during the change. We also recommend cutting out coffee and refined sugars during this time. 6. Energy. If you often feel tired or fatigued, then taking ashwagandha can help. It is a powerful natural remedy to support higher energy levels, making you feel more alert and motivated. Many athletes take this herb when exercising or performing sports, as it has been shown to increase stamina and endurance. 7. Muscle growth. If you are trying to grow larger muscles by weightlifting and exercising, then taking ashwagandha can speed up the process. Research shows that men who took 750 to 1,250 milligrams of ashwagandha root per day gained more muscle strength and size than those who did not. It also helped to burn off more body fat by lowering the fat storage hormone called insulin. 8. Thyroid health. Medical studies show that ashwagandha helps to balance thyroid hormones, including TSH and T4. The herb helps to modulate the gland, which can be helpful for those suffering with Hashimoto's, Graves' disease, hyper or hypothyroidism. A healthy thyroid helps to keep the body temperature under control. 9. Brain health. Ashwagandha helps to protect the brain cells from degeneration with age and has the potential to protect against Alzheimer's, Parkinson's and other neurodegenerative diseases. The powerful antioxidants in the herb help to improve cognitive function by boosting memory, concentration and mental focus. 10. Sexual health. By helping to balance hormones, ashwagandha supports healthy testosterone levels in both men and women. It was mentioned in the Kama Sutra and works as a natural aphrodisiac for both women and men, helping to improve sexual health and fertility. Research studies also show that this increases sperm count naturally in men. 11. Blood sugars. We recommend taking ashwagandha, maca root or ginseng to help lower high blood sugars, especially if you suffer with diabetes. Keeping blood sugar levels under control improves mood, makes you feel more calm, relaxed and less likely to crave junk foods. 12. Anti-cancer. Ashwagandha contains another natural compound called withaferin, which can help to destroy cancerous cells. Although more research is currently required, early animal studies suggest that Withania triggers apoptosis, where cancer cells essentially self-destruct. 13. Depression. As mentioned earlier, ashwagandha supports brain health, helps to balance hormones, and helps to regulate blood sugar. This combined effect helps those suffering with depression and mood disorders by making you feel more energetic and happy throughout the day. 14. Sleep. Many herbal companies add a little ashwagandha root into natural sleeping pill products because it helps to relax the mind, especially at night. This adaptogenic herb helps to regulate the natural waves of hormones in the brain like serotonin so that you can enjoy a more relaxing night's sleep. High quality sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours per day is essential for a healthy body and mind. 15. Menstrual cycle. Women who suffer with irregular periods or polycystic ovary syndrome can take this to regulate their hormone levels and treat discomfort. By supporting the balance of hormones in the body, adaptogens like ashwagandha can help to restore the menstrual cycle and reduce cramps, PMS, and excessive pain. We also recommend following a healthy low-carb diet for these problems, such as keto. 16. Blood pressure. By lowering stress levels and helping the body to adapt to stress, ashwagandha may also lower blood pressure naturally if it is too high. Taking these kind of herbs and cutting out sugars and refined grains is a great way to protect your heart and promote healthy blood flow around the body. The blood may then nourish your billions of cells with oxygen and nutrients. 17. Anti-inflammatory. Studies show that taking ashwagandha root lowers inflammation in the body, helping to protect against inflammatory diseases like heart disease, bursitis, arthritis, skin disorders, and macular degeneration. Consuming lots of plant-based foods and omega-3 fatty acids are always recommended to keep inflammation at bay. 18. Origins. Ashwagandha is actually a small evergreen shrub with the botanical name Withania Somnifera. This is native to India and Southeast Asia. The roots, berries, and sometimes leaves of the plant are dried and ground into ashwagandha powder, or extracts are made to use supplement capsules, teas, and tinctures. It is sometimes labeled as Indian ginseng. It is said to have a strong horse-like smell and historically was said to give you the strength and power of a horse. 19. Dosage. There are many supplements available on the market, most of which come in pill form or powdered form. Always check the labels for the correct dosage, which is usually between 1000 and 1500 milligrams per day. 20. Side effects. This should not be taken when undergoing surgery as it could interact with anesthesia. It should also be avoided if you are suffering with a stomach ulcer, type 1 diabetes, or during pregnancy. Always consult a doctor or herbal practitioner before using herbal medicines, especially if you are currently undergoing treatment or taking medications. As you can see, ashwagandha is one of nature's most powerful adaptogenic herbs for calming the body and restoring a healthy balance. Investing in high-quality natural supplements is a wonderful way to boost your health and heal your body. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices, and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.